If you have a flight coming up from Melbourne International Airport, this video will show you all the facilities with a full walkthrough of the international airport so you know what to expect, including duty free. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we flew to Bali on Jetstar. In this video, we'll be walking through the entire experience from Melbourne International Airport all the way to boarding. Firstly, getting to the airport. Melbourne Airport is about 25 to 30 minutes from the city centre depending on traffic. It's quite easy to get to using rideshare, regular taxi, or their Skybus. Today we decided to grab an Uber. The airport wasn't too busy, and we were dropped off right at the front of the international terminal, which made things really convenient. Jetstar has a simple bag drop system, so we quickly tagged our bags and sent them off. Then we were straight through to have our bag scanned and passport control. It's quite automated, so we were through really quickly. Once we're through immigration, you're straight into duty free. There is a JB Hi-Fi here as well, which is great for last minute tech pickups. All the usuals are here as well, including alcohol, perfume, makeup. Though we did notice a few high-end stores were missing this time, I'm not sure if they're doing some renovation. We did notice a few extra restaurants though, and there were plenty of Asian and Western options available, or Hungry Jack's if you're after some fast food. As we had some time, we had a chicken parma and cauliflower bites before our flight. Melbourne International Airport has quite a few facilities. That includes water fountains, their bathrooms are modern and clean, free Wi-Fi, plenty of charging points, and you'll find a lot of major airline lounges such as Emirates and Qantas. The airport has large windows throughout and it lets in a lot of light, and you can watch the aeroplanes go by. There is also plenty of seating around and lots of quiet corners. Before we knew it, it was time to head to our gate. shortly after, it was time to board our flight to Bali. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience walking through Melbourne International Airport and found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.